Everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to use color from material palette and design. So just follow along with me. As you can see, this is a material.io from Google. So how to use the color into your Android, into your project, maybe iOS or Android app. So as you can see here, don't worry, I'll post the link down below. So let us just use this icon. Let us just use this color, which is blue. How to use this number and in your project, or just copy. I have a project here, so here I just have to paste here after, and then I have to remove this hashtag, and I add 0, then double F. In the middle I'll put X. So you can see this is a blue color. So let me just reload the app. You can see this is it. So we can change a lot of them. Like for example, let's take this. Let's complement. These are all this is complementary color. Let's take this one. And I'm just going to remove everything. Now what you want to do is you have to add 0 and then X in the middle. Then you put your double. Then you put your about 3 or 2 capital F. 1, 2. So that's how you do before you can use color from here. This material.io. See, there are a lot of color here. You can just copy. Where you copy from here, you paste into your project, and then you just add OX double F, or you can let us try small letter F. You see, you can either add small letter F or capital F, also mean the same thing. So let's reload the app. You see, this is the color. As you can see right here, you see this is the color. This is it. So we can try a lot of them. Like for example, let's take this one. Go to Android Studio, blah blah blah. We paste, remove our hashtag, put 0 F. Then we can add one more F again. See the color. This is the color here. It's too light. I see. So let's run the app. Let me reload. You see everything's like wow. So but let me go back. Let me try to change everything, undo. So let me run the app again back. So that is how you use color from materialpalette.io. So thank you guys for watching. Love and share this video. Thank you guys for watching. Love and share this video with your family and friends. If you are not yet subscribed, please subscribe for more video on your development process. Up to then, see you.